Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. It's really great to be doing a video for you today. For the past few days, I haven't been feeling um good, so that's the reason why I haven't been doing any videos. So now we're back and let's get straight into everything that has been going on. So before I get into everything, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button and click all so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, what I do basically here is just share with you guys how I earn online. So let's get straight into it. Today we're on the kucoin app, and guys, so as you guys can see at the bottom here, basically kucoin is basically saying that you have to verify, we have to um members have to verify their portfolio. But the thing is that um some of the countries are not supported on kucoins, so just to keep that into consideration. So because of that, I am basically in some position, and I'm gonna show you guys right about now. So what I'm gonna do basically, I'm just gonna keep my position until they basically fail. Once they failed, I will be withdrawing my money from the kucoin account, put it in a different exchange so I'm able to trade with it, and maybe close my kucoin account. So yes guys, so I want to show you guys my position and what's been going on. So as you guys can see, I have a Litecoin short. Rather, I am I'm up $12. I'm in a Bitcoin short, I'm up a cent. I'm in a Ethereum short also, I am down 15%. I am in a Cardano short, I am up 11 cents. I am in a Binance short, I am down 24 cents. That's 26% on my portfolio. I am in a Solana short and I'm up 26 cents. So yes guys, I am also in a Sun short. So yeah, and I'm also in a LIT short, down 20% on my portfolio. I'm in a Pepe short also, and I'm also in a Bitcoin short also, but it's on the USDTC contract. So yes guys, so I'm also in a FLUX short, so I am 20% up on my portfolio. So that's basically it. So what I want to do right now is go over to my assets, show you guys what has been going on over there. So in my asset, as you guys can see, I have $26 and 22 cents right here, and I basically just have 10 um dollars in my trading account and $16 in my futures account. So that's basically everything. So yes, so that's basically it. So let me go over here. So I've got liquidated on my XRP trade and also my Bitcoin cash trade. So I'm not able to place any trades. I'm not able to tap up any trade or do anything. All I can do right now is just basically withdraw my earnings out of kucoin because of the current situation that I am in. So yes guys, so that's basically what I'm gonna do after my account has been filled and stuff like that. So this is basically an update on kucoin. So this is just my last video guys, futures trading on kucoin. So yes, I will be transferring over to Coinw. So I'm just gonna go into Coinw right now, show you guys. So in Coinw guys, I have a position in Coinw, guys, I have a position. So I'm just gonna show it to you at the bottom here. So yeah, so I have a chart on. So I have a chart on Solana. I have a chart on um Bitcoin, and I have a short and the Binance token, that's the BNB token. So yes, guys, so basically I am 2 cents up on the Bitcoin and 2 cents up on the Solana. For the Binance token, I'm actually 10 cents down on the market. So that's basically what has been going on. So yes, guys, so I will be using the same strategy that I did at kucoin. Is basically just taking my profit where it's necessary, and meaning at any major levels, and then I'm going to if the market do go in the opposite of my favor, I'm go ahead and tap up, unless it is breaking a major trend opposite towards my trading, then I'll go ahead and close that trade. So yes, guys, so that's basically it right now. So this is what it is. So yes, guys, so this is what I want to share with you guys. So yeah, so before I get just before I go, rather, I just want to say always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.